Third time. Got to get people what they want. This is literally the third time I've tried to record this video, so I don't have a lot of energy in it. I'm mad that I'm doing it for the third time. A block and C block, you know what happened. In any case, practice solving equations with substitution. Okay? It's going to be 3 problems. I'm going to write them up. You're going to do them. I'll go over them. If you have a growth mindset, you'll do really well, because you'll try them out so you can see where your mistakes were if you got everything down correctly. Okay? There are like 3 steps to this. 1, figure out which of your variables is isolated. It's by itself. 2, take what that variable is equal to. So take the expression that y or x is equal to and plug it into the other equation. 3, solve the equation. So, let's do this. First one says 5x minus 5y equals 0 and y equals negative 4. Oops, I don't even want it like that. Y equals negative 4x plus 5. You solve this right now. Hopefully you did this and you saw y is isolated. So you're going to take it and plug it into here. 5x minus 5 times y equals 0. In place of y, I put negative 4x plus 5. Hopefully this is all clear to you. Okay? Go ahead and distribute here. I end up with 5x plus 20x. Negative 5 times negative 4 is 20x. Negative 5 times negative 5 is minus 25 equals 0. Combine these terms. 25x minus 25 equals 0. Continue to solve. 25x equals 25. So x equals 1. So far, I know that in my ordered pair, x equals 1. Plug that in. Y equals negative 4. In place of x now, I'm putting a 1. So y equals negative 4 plus 5. So y also equals 1. So there's my solution. X equals 1, y equals 1. Alright? Maybe you did that one by yourself. Maybe you did it with me. The second one, I want you to definitely try to do on your own. It says 4x plus 2y equals negative 2. And it says x equals negative y minus 2. Solve it. Hopefully you just did that. You saw x is isolated. So you're going to take it here and plug it in for x. So 4 times, in place of x, I'm going to put negative y minus 2. Plus 2y equals negative 2. Go ahead and distribute. Negative 4y minus 8 plus 2y equals negative 2. I'm going to combine my like terms. Negative 4 and 2 is negative 2y minus 8 equals negative 2. Plus 8, negative 2y equals 6. Y equals negative 3. And the first part of my answer. Once I know y equals negative 3, I can plug it in here. X equals negative y minus 2. Y equals negative 3, so that's a negative 3. X equals negative 1 times 3 is 3 minus 2. X equals 1. So y equals negative 3. X equals 1. There's my second problem. Hopefully that makes sense to you. Hopefully you got the same thing before I did it because you have a growth mindset. I hope a lot of things for you all. Got big plans for you guys. You guys got big things coming up. And finally, on my third time doing this video, it says y equals negative x plus 7. And then it says x plus 5y equals negative 5. You solve this one on your own, please. All right. Boom. Y is isolated. So I'm going to plug this in for y. So I get x plus 5. Y equals negative 5. In place of y, I'm going to put negative x plus 7. So I'm going to go ahead and distribute. So this becomes negative 5x plus 35. I have an x here. I have equals negative 5 here. These are like terms. 1 minus 5 is negative 4x plus 35 equals negative 5. We have a negative 4x here and a negative 40 here. We have the x equals positive 10. So far, I know for x and y, x is 10. Now let me figure out y. Negative in place of x. I put a parentheses where the x is. For there, I need a 10. So y equals negative 10 plus 7. So y equals negative 3. 3 problems done. Sorry I couldn't perform for you, but this really is the third time I'm doing this video. Hope it's making sense. Hope you're making it happen. I'm out.